back here on Steven's Galaxie. I've taken the valve train off of the passenger side already. Removing the driver's side right now. Typical FE. 4 bolts. Easy peasy. Got valve train off of both sides. Over here, and there's some junk in here. But the passenger side, there's gasket chunks everywhere. And there's coolant in here, and I haven't undone any cooling system. That's no bueno. And this gasket's split as well. Oh god, there's coolant here too. Steven, so I got the valve covers off and the rocker arms out. And checking here in the, basically where the valve springs live on the top of the cylinder heads, there's coolant up in here. This is on the passenger side, the front half of the head. That's not oil, that's coolant. And the only coolant related thing that's been opened up right now is I've drained the radiator. So that's not good. It's either leaking around the manifold here, or there's a crack in these heads. There's something going on, and it's not good. But, oh, look at that. That's coolant and oil sludge. So please note that all in here, look at this. All around this head bolt, and it's completely around just this cylinder head bolt. It's not that way on the other side either. There is oily, coolanty sludge. These head bolts on the FE, they go to water. Well, the coolant. They go into the cooling system. If somebody puts the heads on one of these and doesn't put sealant on the threads, this is exactly what happens. So I don't like being the guy that gives bad news, but, well, I'm being the guy that gives bad news. We got to get this apart and cleaned and go through that. Great.